Ever since COVID-19 has restricted normalcy around the world, it has brought about a wave of extensive digitization. In the car industry in particular, many automakers have come up with digital platforms and formats to deliver sales services as well as after-sale services. Now, we had the Kia Sonet with us for a while, and they called us and said that, well, it's time for a service, so could we please have the car back for a day or two? And we said, well, since there's this new digital format, let's try and see what it has to offer and how it is to experience it firsthand. Now, a couple of years ago, we did an extensive video about explaining how the Kia Yuvo app and other connected cars itself work. You guys really enjoyed it. And if you haven't seen the video, click on the pop-up banner up here and you can see the video right now if you wish, but watch this one first and then you can go to that one, I guess. I bring that up because many automakers have come about with new smartphone applications and other services to give you a digitized experience of their after-sale services. Well, Kia has introduced the new Kia Link app, so we wanted to take you through in the same way like we did with the Yuvo to show what the Kia Link app has to offer, what things you can do with it, and also we'll book an appointment with the Kia Service Center and experience an entire vehicle service right from our home without leaving. With the Kia Link app, you can't do all of those connectivity features that you can with the Yuvo app. But there are a few data like the telematics of the vehicle that you can access. There are two major things about the Kia Link that I need to explain. So the first one is the My Car Maintenance feature. Here you can schedule an appointment, check the vehicle health, schedule the app to remind you when your car is due for service. You can set the kilometer and also the time duration depending on what you require. And you can also get the entire vehicle service history. It even has your vehicle's user manual, and you can keep a copy of your digital documents of the vehicle as well in the wallet. The second is the connectivity feature. Here you can get the vehicle's telematic information like I mentioned before. It also provides you with the driver behavior. You can see your vehicle's history, like telematics history. You can even request for a diagnostics check from the app itself. You can also see a monthly report of the vehicle's health and other features, your tire pressure monitors, your battery health, parking management, and also request for emergency services like roadside assistance should you find yourself stranded on the middle of the road. So now with this Kia Link app, we're going to request for an appointment, and let's see how this entire service process works. So using the Kia Link app, we requested for a service. We picked a workshop that we were familiar with, explained what was required, and if there were any issues we wanted to be addressed specifically. We scheduled an appointment at a convenient time and place. Once the booking was confirmed, we received a notification on WhatsApp. It had all the related information, including the picture of our driver who would come to pick up the car. Joginder, the driver, then arrived right on time with sufficient protective equipment and did his thing with making a record of the vehicle's condition, uploaded it onto the app, sanitized the vehicle thoroughly, and was on his way. He left. We again received a link to be able to track his whereabouts. Then we were again notified when the vehicle reached the dealership and it was checked in. After an inspection and a quick test drive, the service advisor informed us about all the work that was required to be done on the vehicle. The Sonet was due for its second service, but we requested for an additional wheel alignment as these media test vehicles are usually subjected to aggressive driving. After all of that was completed, the vehicle was taken through the automated car wash and given a healthy dose of cleaning with the microfiber cloths and auto care products to revive some of its sheen. Additionally, we opted for the special fumigation, so they pumped up the sanitizer right through the AC vents and hotboxed the vehicle. The cabin was now sanitized, and after the work was completed, we were notified and we were emailed the invoice. The payment was made and another notification arrived that the vehicle had checked out from the dealership and I can again track its location. In a few hours, the Sonet was back in my parking lot and the keys were handed over to me, sanitized of course, and I barely had to move a muscle. Apart from my thumbs, of course. I will admit using the app was quite seamless, and the service was pretty transparent from Kia's end. Additionally, it was completely digitized and we didn't use a single sheet of paper for the entire process. That is something I can wholeheartedly recommend everyone to get behind. However, with the app, I will say that maybe the interface could be improved and maybe someone can take a second look. Some aspects can be a little confusing. Having said that, I also feel that maybe it can all be integrated into one single app instead of a Kia Yuvo, then another Kia Link. In addition, a third link to be able to track the vehicle when the driver's driving it when you hand the car over. I believe maybe all of that could be integrated into one comprehensive app. I feel automakers could also create payment gateways for seamless online transactions instead of resorting to net banking or even getting the card machine to the customer's house and having the card being swiped. That just makes it a little more contactless for the customer and also gives them a few more options to make the payment. However, as far as the service quality is concerned, I had a good sense of security about my vehicle not being with me. It was seamless, it was mature, and more importantly, it was quite reasonable to get your vehicle serviced without ever leaving my home. And if you like this video, do leave a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section below if there's any other video recommendations or any kind of content you'd like us to make, and we will try our best. Remember to subscribe and also share this with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.